Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching the song Firestorm. It's a lyric video from Pawan Kalyan's upcoming film They Call Him OG, and the music is given by Taman. So I'm very excited for the song because I do like Taman's compositions. And yeah, I checked, this movie is releasing in September, so next month, and I have seen a lot of requests in my comment section for this particular song reaction. So let's watch it right away. What happened? Oh. Turn down the violence. Oh. Wait, Japanese influence? Right? I don't recognize the scripture. I think it's Japanese. Just Gambhira. Oh, gee. Okay. Dragon could be Chinese influence also. Okay. Is the song hyping up OG? Oh, Rajan Kumari's part.
Oh, just Gambhira hai.
Okay. Oh, I love this animation. Oh, nice. Yakuza and Samurai, definitely Japanese influence. This animation is amazing.
His name, you know his name.
Oh, I like that.
OG, you better remember the name.
This part is so good. Ooh. Oh, that was incredible. That was a Firestorm song. Oh god, it's from Sony. I'm sure. I hope they don't block it. Otherwise, if you're seeing the reaction screen as blurred, you know why. because a lot of videos tend to get blocked by Sony. It has happened before. It has happened before. I am wondering now. Well, I think I had reacted to the glimpse of this film. That was long back. I think more than a year. I don't recall properly, but OG glimpse. But he was a different. Wasn't he like a cheetah there? Okay, but here he is mentioned as like dragon, all of that. Okay, anyway, that's beside the point. But I don't think the trailer is out. Otherwise, I would have definitely watched it, because I remember watching the glimpse of this. So it's been so long since we got like a different promo material. Now we have this song, and I think it's so well done, so well curated. And I know for a fact this is a very much hyped and awaited film of Pawan Kalyan. Like fans are waiting for this. Fans are legit holding their breath and waiting for this. I think releasing the song was a really good decision. First, without the trailer, I think we will of course get the trailer closer to the release of the film, maybe in September or end of August is what I am assuming, because they've already kind of given a glimpse of the film, like a teaser to us. So I am assuming that is their plan. And this is really hyping up the film in a very good way, because this is talking about the character. It's talking about the character, and it's talking about how fierce this character is. Love the lyrics. It's completely hyping this character up from start to finish. The animation for this video was stunning. I was legit glued. And I thought to myself, every time the frames were moving, I thought to myself, this is way too stunning. Like the effort that has been put into curating this video, and it was a good mix of the action scenes and the animation over here. This completely hypes the movie up in a really good way. Loved this whole, the entire song was in like, it's this chorus format, which also helps in hyping the character up even more. And I loved how it was, the music, again, I am a huge fan of mid-tempo badass songs. To be very honest, the latest song which I am playing on loop is Powerhouse from Rajnikant sir's upcoming film Coolie. And this, oh my god, this definitely again gets added to the playlist. I think this was curated so well, so many elements. And I mean, this song cannot be comprehended in just one listen, because I feel there's just so many amazing elements that the song has in terms of its beat production, as well as the musicality and the way the singers are singing it. And I loved that Raja Kumari portions as well in the middle. I wish she had more rapping to do. That's the only thing that I would say I wish this song had more of it. But it's fine. Doesn't take anything away from this song's awesomeness, to be very honest. So yeah. Please let me know what are your thoughts, and I completely understand why you guys were hyping me up in the comments. Where is the OG Firestorm song reaction? I am sorry, it got delayed from my end, but I'm here. Better late than never. I'm really happy that I watched this and I reacted to this. So thank you for reminding me again and again. And which is your favorite portion from the song? Please do let me know in the comments. But I love the whole song. This is definitely so loop worthy, and the video is just so beautiful. I cannot help but praise the video way too much, because the effort that the animation took. It's just one of the most stunning lyric videos that I've watched. So yeah, that was the reaction to Firestorm, and this song has actually hyped me up more for the upcoming trailer, so I cannot wait for this trailer to drop. So yes, holding my breath as well, and I'm gonna sign off now. That was the reaction, those were my thoughts, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.